So after we've graphed a system of constraints and we have found our vertices, here I have vertex A, B, and C, we want to plug each vertex into the objective function and figure out, what's the minimum number and the maximum number. So each of our points has an x and a y value. We're just going to plug that into the objective function and get our value. So we're going to do 7 times our x here is 0 plus the y, which is 7. So 0 plus 7, we have a value of 7 over here. 7 times 12 sevenths, 12 sevenths, plus our y value, which is 25 sevenths, equals, now this 7 times 12 sevenths, it's kind of nice because our 7s are going to cancel. So we have 12 plus 25 sevenths. One way we can do this is we can say, well, this is 12 plus 25 sevenths as a mixed number is 3 and 4 sevenths. So we can add the 3 and the 12 together and we get 15, and then add that 4 sevenths, so 15 and 4 sevenths. And then last we have vertex C, so 7 times 0 plus our y, which is 4. So we have 0 plus 4, and we have a value of 4. Now if the question was asking, if we needed to maximize something, we would be looking for our maximum value, which would be 15 and 4 sevenths. If we were trying to minimize something, we would want to pay attention to the 4, because that's our minimum value. And if this was associated with a word problem and we had to, answer a question, we would want to, if we had to maximize something, what we would do is look back at the x and the y value that gave us the maximum value, and we would use those two numbers to answer the question. If we were minimizing something, we'd look at our minimum value 4 and come back and say, well, which point gave me that minimum value 4? And we would use the point 0.04 to answer our question. So plug each of your vertex values into the objective function to get your values and maximum or minimum number, depending on if you're maximizing or minimizing something.